Hello, friends. Apna RWA is a technology platform being designed for residential welfare association so as to empower them with technology solutions to improve the community living experience for residents. Beginning this video, we are commencing a series of informative content that captures A to Z of residential welfare associations. We first begin with defining an RWA. A resident welfare association may be defined as a non governmental body that represents interests of the people living in a specific urban society, locality, or community, particularly in the urban society. The association has the responsibility of managing day to day problems of the residents, organizing events, managing facilities in the apartments and complexes, and safeguarding the rights of the unit holders. And urban cities like Delhi and Mumbai, you will find that residential colonies are having an RWA for each block and each colony. For example, if you're living in Dwarka F block in Delhi, it will have its own independent RWA. Thus, an RWA association is an integral part of modern day societies. Thousands of families living together in such societies and townships, it becomes very necessary to have local machinery of members who are responsible for time to time management of the society, hearing and resolving their solutions, organizing events, and ensuring a safe and securing environment for the members. The association is a group and recognized as an association of persons under the Indian Income Tax Act of members chosen by the society members. When chosen, the RWA registration needs to register under the Societies Registration Act 1860 and is administered by the constitutional documents such as memorandum of association that illustrates their rights and objectives. At least 7 individuals could subscribe in their name for MOA for registration under Registrar of Societies to shape themselves into a society under Societies Registration Act 1860. RWA registration could be lawfully framed by a group of resident owners. The requirements for registration differ from state to state. With least 7 individuals in the state could apply for RWA registration with jurisdictional registrar office. In numerous states, builder apartment or group housing society covered under State Apartment Act and therein apartment owners association resident could be formed. Also, in different cases, RWA can be formed as well. However, these associations run on subscriptions acquired from members, and this is exempt on the mutuality basis in the view that nobody could make income out of himself. RWAs are not official organs of government, and even slums and illegal housing colonies can form RWAs to represent citizen interests. RWAs are typically registered under Cooperative Societies Acts, which require groups to have a minimum of 15 members under Apartment Owners Act of the state as Association of Apartment Owners or under Societies Registration Act, Central Act or State Act, which requires minimum 10 members. These acts also set the rules for the establishment of RWA bylaws, which include such things as membership criteria, voting rights, and the conditions under which RWA officers can initiate legal proceeding on behalf of the registered society. Despite the prevalence of the RWAs in slums and unauthorized colonies, however, government programs aimed at involving RWAs in strategic governance decisions such as Delhi's Bhagidari scheme include only RWAs based on planned neighborhoods. RWAs have become increasingly involved in municipal politics and decision making since the early 2000s and continue to grow in importance. I hope you liked the video. Please share your views in the comment section and click on the relevant icon for likes and sharing the video.